Here are 6 essential vitamins that contribute to eye health. 1. Vitamin A. Function. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining a clear cornea, the outer covering of the eye, and supporting vision. Sources: sweet potatoes, leafy green vegetables, pumpkins, and bell peppers are excellent vitamin A sources. 2. Vitamin E. Function. Vitamin E acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. Sources: nuts, seeds, cooking oils, salmon, avocado, and leafy greens are rich in vitamin E. 3. Vitamin C. Function. Like vitamin E, vitamin C is an antioxidant that shields your eyes from harmful free radicals. Sources include citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli in your diet. 4. B vitamins, B6, B9, and B12. Function. These vitamins support nerve health, which is essential for optimal eye function. Sources: whole grains, legumes, fish, poultry, and dairy products contain B vitamins. 5. Riboflavin, vitamin B2. Function. Riboflavin contributes to overall eye health. Sources: incorporate dairy products, lean meats, and leafy greens into your meals. 1.